Hi, my name is Astrid. I'm a designer for Creator. I'm going to talk a little bit about these Creator Minis. If you have this green car, it's possible to build this truck out of the same elements. Or you can build this go-kart out of the same elements. If you have this fire truck, you can build either this off-road or the helicopter. I'm going to show you how to build a third model by using the elements from this fire truck and from this green car. I've now built this truck using the elements from the fire truck and the car, and you can probably recognize the colors. And you see this turntable? I've used the same turntable as you have here. I want to build this into a crane. So, by using this element from here, I'll place it onto my model right here. On top of that, this one. And to connect the second part, I add this one and click this one in. And ta-da! You have a crane. And you still have all of these pieces left to continue building with.